Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttrading-solutions.com on a Friday. This is the 16th of August. We just had obviously a big rally coming out of the retail sales and the claims number yesterday. Basically, we've been pausing, rallying in the S&P. Let's get right into the charts again. Subscribe to the newsletter. Give me a thumbs up. And I do have another class coming up. Let's get right into the charts. The S&P is right up against basically where it broke down from. This is the big level it broke down from. We got that gap that filled, and then we're probably, obviously the question for everybody is whether we're going to continue to all-time highs, or we kind of churn and burn here, maybe even pull back to some of these levels down below here. That's where the S&P is. NASDAQ similarly the NASDAQ does have a gap to fill, and a lot of these mega caps are right at a lot of resistance levels as well. You look at stocks like NVIDIA at 230, Apple at 225, and so forth. A lot of these stocks. Similarly, you got a nice level coming up on the Dow and on the Russell. Bitcoin kind of just doing very little. And then the VIX right hanging at 15, which is going to be a key level. If it breaks 15, then I think the market goes higher. If it doesn't break 15, this could be another kind of range between 15 and 25 or 20 if something hits the market in the next few days. The big event this coming weekend is going to be, or this coming week, a week from today actually would be Jackson Hole. That's going to be another big important situation there. Rates, just going over some of these various markets, not really much changing back and forth on the dollar. The notable chart today, which I'll bring to your attention, is gold. Gold just made another new high, all-time high, 25.44. The next piece is if it's going to do what it's been doing lately, every single high has been followed by a big drop. Here, we paused, dropped back to 23.53. Similar here, another big drop. Is that going to be the case again? We'll have to see what happens there. Silver also looking interesting again. Maybe if it breaks resistance around 29.50, it challenges the old highs. It's lagging behind big time. Copper trying to get off the mat here a little bit. Oil all over the place after rollover. It's basically just been back and forth here, bouncing between 74 and 79. Again, big resistance on oil at 78, 79. And then we'll see if the geopolitical situation changes. Nat gas also just been drifting back and forth. It's got to hold 219 really, or else we'll probably head right back down to $2 MBTU. And that pretty much sums it up. So just to surmise the week, obviously another strong rally, essentially recovering all of the losses from 2 weeks ago. Now that we've gone basically from manic depression and panic 2 weeks ago on Monday to now everybody's kind of feeling happy again. So maybe the market knocks everybody down again. In any event, have a wonderful weekend. Again, if you want to contact me, we've been basically playing the breakouts on the S&P with the SPY options. If you want to learn more about that, give me contact me at support@Transparent Trading Solutions, or you can DM me on Twitter, on X. In any event, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Take care.